Hi there, it's Jane with Pulpit Nation, and today we're going to take our reverse grab and our attitude spin that we've done earlier, and we're going to put them together. It will look like this. Here's the breakdown. So to put these moves together, you need to have a strong reverse grab, taking that step out, and then also a strong attitude spin, because we're going to put them together. And it's fairly quick going into the attitude spin. So your inside hand's going to be up nice and high. We're going to take some steps around. As the outside hand comes through, we're going to push off. We're going to go out and around, release, and then the outside hand's going to come back to the pull. And that'll give time for the outside leg to go into the attitude spin. So it's very quick. So we're just going to walk it through. We're going to sweep out, hand comes behind, release, hand to the pole, sweep in front into the attitude spin. Let's put it together. Step on the inside foot. We're going to push off, pivot, grab into the attitude spin.